A bag contains 10 marbles, so we have a total of 10 marbles, and n of which are red. So for red, there are n of them, and the rest are in yellow. So how many of them are in yellow? That will be a total of 10 minus n. Write down in terms of n the probability that the marble is yellow. Now probability is always written as a fraction. Out of the total of 10, there are possible of 10 minus n yellow bubbles. So this is the probability. A second marble is chosen at random. Now, if a second marble is being chosen at random, the total number of marbles now left will be 9 marbles. Okay, find in terms of n the probability that both the marbles are yellow. That means for my first marble, I have 10 to choose from, and I chose one that is yellow. For my second marble, I already took out one marble, one yellow marble. I only have a total of 9 marbles, and I'm left with how many yellow? From original of 10 minus n, I took out one yellow. So I'm left with 10 minus n minus 1 number of yellow marbles. And for that both of them to be yellow, that means the first is yellow, and then the second marble is also yellow. That means I will have 10 minus n times 9 minus n over 9. And we are to simplify this. I'll get a total of 90. Multiply the numerator together. You can choose to simplify your fraction or by expanding the numerator, or you can leave this as your final answer. In case you do not expand correctly, this answer will be a better answer. Now that part C, probability that both the marbles are yellow is 1 over 15. So let's recall our answers. We chose from 10 marbles, we have 10 minus n yellow. And then we chose from 9 marbles, there were 9 minus n yellow marbles. And this probability is equals to 1 over 15. So let us combine and simplify our fraction. This one will give me 90 minus 10n plus n squared. Let's simplify our numerator. We'll get 90 minus 19n plus n squared. Notice that for this denominator 15, if we were to multiply by 6, we will actually get the denominator 90. So this will be 6 over 90. So in other words, I can just say that 90 minus this is equals to 6. And we need to show that the equation is of this form, equals to 0. So we are going to rearrange our terms and shift negative 6, shift 6 over, so it's negative 6. And we'll get what we need. Shown. C part 2 says, solve the following equation to find the number of yellow marbles in the bag. Let us recall a little bit. The bag contains of a total of 10 marbles, n of which are red. So if we were to solve this equation, we are going to find n, and n is the number of red marbles. How are we going to find the yellow? So we need to take 10 minus n to find the yellow marbles. But before that, let us try to find the solution for this. We notice that the coefficient of n squared is 1, negative 19, and 84. So using the formula, a equals to 1, b equals to negative 19, c equals to positive 84, n squared, n equals to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we can get our answers to be 12 and 7. But take a look at our question. The total number of marbles is originally 10. Can I choose 12 as my answer, or should I choose 7 as my answer? So in this case, since 12 have exceeded 10, so I'm going to reject this answer and I'll use n to be 7. So using n to be equals to 7, the number of yellow marbles will be equals to 10 minus 7, 3.